everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting for you. I'll be showing you how to recreate the stunning Kendall Jenner makeup look and how to look like Kendall Jenner makeup. Before we dive into today's video, I just want to remind you that you are beautiful and perfect just as you are. The point of today's video is simply to incorporate any of Kendall's makeup techniques or look that you'd like to incorporate into your own look. Remember, much of what you see online is filtered, and it is completely normal to have texture and pores and wrinkles and acne and aging skin and dry skin. It's all normal, and so just keep that in mind when you see photos of Kendall Jenner, that these are filtered photos, and the tips in today's video are meant to simply enhance your own beauty and not to actually look like Kendall Jenner, but just to incorporate aspects of her makeup look that you like into your own makeup routine. Kendall is known for her natural yet glamorous makeup style, and I can't wait to share all the tips and tricks with you on how you can achieve Kenny's look for yourself. Kendall Jenner's makeup look is known for its natural yet glamorous vibe. She often opts for a flawless base with a medium coverage foundation that matches her skin tone. Her skin always has a healthy glow achieved by applying highlighter to the high points of her face, such as the cheekbones, brow bone, and down the bridge of her nose. For her eyes, Kendall usually goes for a natural look. She uses neutral shades like browns and taupes, or soft pinks even on her eyelids. She adds definition by applying a slightly darker shade to the crease and lining her upper lash line with a black or brown eyeliner. To make her eyes stand out, she applies a few coats of mascara to her top and bottom lashes. Kendall's brows are shaped and defined by using a brow pencil or powder. She fills in any sparse areas and creates a defined arch. Then she brushes the hairs into place for a natural finish. When it comes to her lips, Kendall often chooses a soft nude shade. She lines her lips with a nude lip liner to define their natural shape and applies a nude lipstick or lip gloss that complements her skin tone. The result is a natural and soft lip look. Overall, Kendall Jenner's makeup look is all about enhancing her natural beauty. She focuses on achieving flawless skin, adding a touch of glow, keeping the eyes and lips soft and natural. But now let's get into creating the Kendall Jenner makeup look for ourselves, because we know there's some more to it than what I just mentioned, right? First up, you want to prepare your skin. Before we dive into makeup, it's essential to prep your skin. You want to start by cleansing your face thoroughly and applying a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. This will ensure a smooth canvas for your makeup application. To cleanse your face, use a gentle cleanser in warm, not too hot water. When drying your face, make sure you pat it dry and do not rub it with a towel that would aggravate your skin. But while your skin is slightly wet, pat it and then apply your moisturizer. This will help to lock in the hydration for an extra glowy look. If you have oily skin though, you might want to skip this step or use an oil-free moisturizer. Kendall Jenner has mentioned some aspects of her skincare routine in various interviews and in social media posts, but it's important to note that skincare routines can vary and must be adapted based on individual needs and preferences. Here are some skincare steps that Kendall Jenner has mentioned in the past. She starts with cleanser. Kendall emphasizes the importance of keeping her skin clean. She typically will use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities from her skin. Then Kendall likes to hydrate her skin. She keeps her skin hydrated by using a serum to nourish and moisturize her skin. Kendall recognizes the importance of protecting her skin from the harmful effects of the sun. She has mentioned using sunscreen with a high SPF to shield her skin from UV rays. She says she loves to use Ulta MD sunscreen, which I myself have tried, and it's lightweight and it's not greasy at all on the skin, so it's definitely a great sunscreen. Kendall also loves to use face masks, and she loves to use them to give her skin an extra boost. She mentioned using different types of masks, such as hydrating masks and clay masks, depending on what her skin is needing that day. She also loves to use the Jade Roller. It's important to remember that skincare routines can be personalized, and what works for Kendall Jenner might not necessarily work for everyone. It's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional to determine the best routine and products for your specific skin type and concerns. Now let's get to the good stuff, the makeup. Kendall's makeup look is all about flawless skin. You want to begin by applying a hydrating and nourishing primer to your skin. Do you want to color correct? Go ahead and color correct any areas of your skin that might need color correcting. For example, under your eyes, you might have circles and you can apply a peach color corrector to alleviate those dark circles. Or if you have pimples, you can use a green color corrector to help take down the redness of the pimples. Then you want to use a lightweight, medium coverage foundation that matches your skin tone. I personally love the NARS Radiant Foundation, and you want to go ahead and blend it well using a beauty sponge or a brush for an even finish. Remember to focus on areas that need more coverage, like blemishes or under eye circles, and just even out your complexion using the foundation. As for concealer, to achieve Kendall's look, apply a concealer one shade lighter than your foundation under your eyes, and this will also help brighten the area as well as conceal. Blend gently with your fingers or a sponge. Next, you want to set your base with a light dusting of translucent powder to keep it in place all throughout the day. To further highlight and contour your features like Kendall does, use a contour palette for your skin shade. Use the deeper colors in the palette to contour your cheekbones, and then use the lighter shades in the contour palette to highlight under your eyes, down your nose, and on your chin area. Can you also use your contour palette to really snatch your features and get that sculpted face like Kendall Jenner has, but with makeup. And you want to contour your cheekbones. I actually, in this demonstration here, left some highlighting powder under the contour of my cheekbones to really make the cheekbones stand out. So after we do our eyes, and we're going to go ahead and do our eyes next, but after we do our eyes, we will wipe that off. So you just want to let it bake for a bit, and so you can really get that chiseled effect to your face like Kendall often has. So now we'll move on to the eyes while we let some of the face bake. Kendall often rocks a natural eye look, so let's start by shaping the eyebrows. You want to start by shaping your eyebrows. Use a brow pencil or a powder to fill in any sparse areas of your brows and create a defined arch. Brush the hairs into place with a spoolie brush for a natural finish. You then want to use a brow setting gel to keep your brows in place all day. For eyeshadow, stick with neutral shades like browns and taupes or even soft pinks. Apply a light shade all over your lid as a base, and then a slightly darker shade in the crease for definition. Blend the colors well to achieve a seamless look. You can also use your contour palette again and use the deeper shades in the contour palette to sculpt out your eye area and give you that effortless, natural look. But what really helps create the Kendall Jenner look is her eyeliner flick. To create this look, take your kohl liner and flick it directly outward from your eye. Only a small amount of liner is needed. You want to blend this small wing out gently with your eyeshadow brush, a small smudger brush, and then go over the wing again to bring it back and to bring back the intensity. If you'd like a more dramatic look, Kendall Jenner often will go over this smoky kohl liner with a liquid liner, or another look that she favors is just a flick of the liquid liner. For that look, you don't want to smudge out the liner. You pretty much want to leave it as it is, but just make a small flick that is more outwards and horizontal to your eye than upwards. These are two ways that you can achieve the Kendall Jenner eyeliner look. Next, you want to curl your lashes and apply a few coats of mascara to your top and bottom lashes to really make them stand out. And for an extra glam effect to create Kendall's doe eye look, you can go and take a few individual lashes and place them on the outer portion of your eyes. You can also use a half lash, and again, apply it only to the outer portion of your eye. This is going to give you that Kendall Jenner doe-eyed look that she's so famous for. Applying lashes in this way will also make your eyes look bigger, so if you have the time, the effort is definitely worth the gorgeous effect that it will give you by applying a few lashes to the outer portion of your eye. Kendall is also the newest global ambassador for L'Oreal Paris, and she's also the face of L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Panorama Washable Mascara. So according to the L'Oreal website, it should come as no surprise if this is the mascara that you see her in. Whether Next up is Kendall's glowing complexion. Kendall's skin always has a healthy glow. let's add some highlighter to achieve that radiant look. Apply a little liquid or powder highlight to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bone, and down the bridge of your nose. Blend it well for a natural glow. And then we have Kendall's soft lip look. Kendall often opts for a soft nude lip, so let's recreate that. Start by lining your lips with a nude lip liner to define their shape. Then choose a nude lipstick or lip gloss that complements your skin tone and apply it evenly. Blot with a tissue for a natural finish. Lastly, you want to set your makeup with a setting spray to make it last longer. This will also help all the products to meld together for a seamless and radiant finish. Of course, my Allegra Chetti Beauty Mist is hydrating and gives you the ultimate glow. And there you have it, the Kendall Jenner makeup look. Remember, the key is to keep it natural and enhance your own features. Have fun experimenting with different makeup looks and then make them your own. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you try this Kendall Jenner makeup look or if you have any tips and tricks to create the look for yourself. Let me know down below. And until next time, stay beautiful.